Anyone here who plans or is creating a project but still confused about the function of the project manager and project team? Well, don't worry, because we will discuss the function of these two. So, take a look at this video until the end. Project manager. What do you think when you hear that word? Supervisor? In the control? Or maybe in the responsible? All of them are correct. Project manager is someone who is responsible for the monitoring of a project from start to finish, with control over the sponsoring organization, the project itself, and the project team. They're fully responsible to achieve the goals and objectives of the project through leadership, planning, organization, and research management. What is the difference with other types of managers? A project manager is an individual who will direct the team that is responsible for achieving project goals. They also guide the project team to achieve goals and meet stakeholders' expectations. In short, they are the people who serve as conduits of information between project sponsors, teams, and other stakeholders and over direction of vision for project success. It goes without saying that project managers have exceptional interpersonal and communication skills while maintaining a positive attitude. Then, what knowledge should the project manager have? Because project managers are responsible for the success or failure of projects. So it is natural that they must know how to manage a marketing campaign, build a framework, create a computer system, or launch a new product. In addition, of course they must also have the knowledge to organize, strategize, and manage projects while maintaining schedules, budgets, and other limitations. After we talk about the knowledge that must be owned by project managers, surely we also have to know what skills must be owned by project managers. Well guys, based on the Project Management Institute, Talent Triangle is the ideal project manager skills model because this model focuses on the areas of leadership, technical project managers, and strategic and business management. Each component is equally important. So, to be effective, project managers must have a balance of these three skills. The first component, technical project management. This is a position that requires a technical professional who is responsible for the development of projects or products across the product lifecycle. The main skill in technical project management is to have a focus on the elements of the project, for example, such as schedule, cost, resources, and risks that will be facing. The second component is leadership. Leadership skills are a person's ability to inspire others to take action according to the plan to achieve the goals that have been set. Being a project manager is more than just working with numbers, templates, charts, and calculation systems. They must also have important skills such as negotiation, resilience, communication, problem solving, critical thinking, and interpersonal skills. Because a leader must also be able to collaborate and be able to manage relationships and conflict in the course of the project. The third and final component, strategic and business management. What does that mean? This component includes the capacity to understand the organization at a high-level perspective and effectively negotiate and implement decisions and action that drive strategic alignment and innovation. Project manager related to information about the project that it can be aligned. Information such as strategy, mission, goals, and objectives, priorities, tactics, and also products or services. Being a project manager must definitely have a good attitude so that the project can be successful well. Did you know what kind of attitude should be on? The first one has a commitment to work hard on projects. Second, has the initiative to complete all activities and when facing problems, has high self-motivation to achieve project success, has a full sense of responsibility, and the last one, understands the project objective and is able to motivate the project team to jointly achieve project goals. Hopefully, we can all become a good project managers. Project team. Project team is a group of individuals who work together to achieve specific goals, a project within a certain period of time, by the project manager at whatever level of effort or participation is determined for them. What's the difference between project team and project manager? Project team functions carry out project tasks directly and are responsible to complete the work according to their respective expertise. Project manager has the function, plan, organize, and supervise the project, and has the responsibility to ensure the project is complete on time, within budget, and meets the objectives. The most important thing is project team knowledge is a valuable asset that contributes to the efficiency and effectiveness of the project as a whole. This includes explicit knowledge. Here are the procedures that must be carried out by the team in solving problems according to Ken Thomas and Ralph Kilman. The first, in confronting, problem solving. Second is collaborating, compromising, smoothing, and the last is withdrawal or avoiding. In the last section, there is project team attitude. What is important of attitude in project team? Attitude is one of the abilities that a project manager must have. The success of a project is also based on attitude. What are the attitudes that a project manager must have? First, commitment, then having initiative, next, high confidence, and the last is hardworking.